Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a video that I haven't done in ages, and me and my husband went to Lush. So I'm just gonna pull them up random. So this one, it is a Kim the Carrot bubble bar. It is a carrot, but it smells really nice. It's got lemon in there and oh, that's the carrot. That actually smells so good. I think this one is limited edition because it's only for Easter. This one, bubble bar that my husband got because he loves these bubble bars. He got a Bright Side. Oh. If you like orange and citrus flavours, you'll love this. Smells so good. But yeah, it's a Bright Side bubble bar, which my husband loves. He loves Lush bubble bar. Then we've got another one, which is called the Rainbow Bubble Bar, which smells, I don't know how this smells actually, but my husband's got it. That looks freaking pretty. Oh, that's different. That is like rainbowy, yeah, rainbow. It's like getting into the spring mood, you know what I mean? Then we've got a bath bomb, and this is Black Rose. I saw it smell and I was like, oh, I love the smell because it was like a bit like lemony and stuff like that. Oh my god, it's got rose in there. Look at that rose. Actually smells so good. Then we have Lemon Crumble Bubble Rune. So this is a bubble bar and I picked this up. I love lemon. Oh my god, if you love lemon, look at that. It looks so cool. I mean, these are like the rose jams, you know, the ones with the swirls and thing in the middle. This is the cocoa butter in here. Oh my god, it smells like lemon. It smells really good. I can't wait to have the bath with these. Like, I'm so excited to have a bath now. I'm like, I want to have a bath. And then I got a bath bomb. I've got one called Lakes. And look how pretty this is. Just smells really good. It smells incredible. And then they were doing like naked charity popcorn. They're like a body moisturiser, so you can use them like a body butter, body moisturiser. And they're only £1, but the pound goes to charity. So you get one for animals, one for, hi baby. Oh, one for like nature and the environment. I think that's what it's for. One for, I think this one for children, something like that. I'm not quite sure. And then the other one, we've got one for pets. Yeah, they smell really good. But you can keep it in your bag apparently. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that Lush Haul.